UI animations, one of the coolest skills to learn right now in 2026. You have probably come across those clean animations both on Instagram and YouTube, and you only wish you knew how to create your own. As a mobile editor that you are, you opened Lightmotion, created a new project, and just stared at the screen for hours thinking of the kind of animation to create. Because of how difficult it is, you close the program and head out. You then wonder, where do all these editors get the ideas from, or am I that dumb? No, you aren't. It's just that no one has shown you where to get cool UI animation ideas from yet. Well, in this video, you are going to learn how to develop your own animation ideas like a pro and also how to bring them to life. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. I will be sharing my assets such as sound effects, icons, and high quality PNG images that will enhance your animations. The link is right there in the description. If you don't have Lightmotion installed on your device, just head over to the Play Store and download it, or go to my Telegram channel to get the advanced version. It's safe and free. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, where do we get our UI ideas from? If you have ever wondered where to easily get your ideas, you might only think of YouTube because you don't know where else to get them, right? But don't worry, here's the solution. Let's head over to Pinterest and search for UI design ideas. As you can see, there are multiple designs available. Most editors you see making high quality UI animations get the ideas right here on Pinterest. Let's download a few that would be very easy for us to create and then organize them into a special folder so that we can access them easily whenever we need them. So after getting our ideas, it's now time to proceed with the animation. So let's go ahead and pick one of the designs like this one for example and open up our Lightmotion. In order to make our animation feel smooth and clean, there are 3 simple steps to follow, and if you follow them carefully, you will become a pro in no time. Step 1. Design. For us to achieve that high quality UI look, we have to design the layout first with its elements that make up a UI. So let's begin by making a white background, then add a rounded rectangle shape and change the color of the shape to black. Extend the size a bit and leave it like so. Add a text layer and type monthly budget. Make sure to capitalize the first letters of both words. I'm going to use regular Stack Sans text as our font. Then decrease the size and move it to the top left corner of the rounded rectangle shape. Here, duplicate the text and type $8,000. I am still going to use the same font throughout the design. Increase the size and change the color to white. Make sure you align the text horizontally with the first one. Duplicate the text and type monthly spending limit. Then increase the size of the text a little and bring it down below the $8,000 text. While we are making this design, let's take a look at our reference so we won't make any mistakes. Now bring out a round rectangle shape and extend its width. This will be the progress bar. Then change the color to a slightly darker shade. Duplicate the layer and change the color to this gradient white blue. This will be the progress itself. Duplicate this text layer and move it to the top of all the layers. Bring it down below the progress bar. Then change it to spent. Duplicate the text again. Then change it to this amount. Next, change the color of it to white. After that, select both text layers and duplicate them. Then move this duplicated text layer above the previous one. Finally, move the 2 texts to the right like this. Let's change this text to budget remaining and this other one to this specific amount. Let's bring out a round rectangle shape and change the color to white. Make it small and move it to the top right corner. Then bring out the text and type SEP, which is the abbreviation for September. Capitalize the text. After that, let's add an arrow icon and place it inside the box. Then select both layers and move them down. Also move the box. Now let's add another rounded rectangle shape. Change the color to white and then extend the width. Duplicate this text layer. Move it above. Change it to view more. Adjust the text alignment to center. Change the color to black and place it inside the white box. Let's make the text a little bigger. We are now done with the design process. Step 2. Animation. After creating our UI design, it's now time to animate. First, let's add 2 keyframes for the view more text layer. Then move it down below the white round box. Create this type of curve and copy it. Next, let's also add 2 keyframes for the white round box. Reduce the width to 0 at the first keyframe and paste the curve we copied earlier. We are going to use the curve throughout the animation process. Looks cool, right? After that, let's animate this text by adding 2 keyframes for the position. and bringing it down like this, and then pasting your curve. Next, add a Gaussian blur effect to it. Make 2 keyframes and reduce the strength to 0 as the second keyframe. Lastly, let's add 2 keyframes for the blending and opacity and reduce the alpha to 0% as the first keyframe. Let's do the same for this other text. For the progress bar, I actually made a mistake. Delete the progress itself and add a rectangle shape. Then extend the width to match that of the progress bar and change the color to a gradient. Then let's change the color on the right side of the shape to blue while using the light blue for the left side. Drag the layer of the shape down so that it stays next to the progress bar layer. Now add 2 keyframes for the position, then drag it to the left like this. Make a curve to ensure the animation feels smooth. For the progress bar, let's add 2 keyframes for the edge section and reduce the size to 0 as the first keyframe. Then paste that bouncy curve we copied earlier. For this text, let's add 2 keyframes for the position and bring it down as the first keyframe, then paste this curve. Let's do the same for the text above it. Next, let's also animate the arrow inside the small white round box and the text beside it. Then the box. So for the last text, let's animate it the same way we did for the others. Lastly, the black round rectangle box. We don't want all the animations to start at the same time, so let's drag this first layer for 2 seconds. Select all layers and click on this icon to align them sequentially. Now we want this text to stay inside the white round rectangle box. Duplicate the progress bar layer, move it up and select it along with the progress itself, then mask them together. After that, group them. Let's do the same for the others. Finally, let's duplicate this black round rectangle shape, move it to the top of all layers and select all the layers except for the main one and the white background and mask them all together. Let's also group these 2 layers. Click on the group and add the long shadow effect and follow along. Lastly, let's export the animation we just created to our gallery. We have just made our animation. Step 3. Adding sound effects. To add the right sound effects, since it's a bounce animation, we need to look for a pop sound effect. Let me see which one would be just perfect. Well, this sound actually fits our animation. Let's use it by adding it to the timeline. To make this pop sound align with the animation of each element, so we need to place it at the specific frame before the animation starts. Duplicate and place it at the right frame. And yes, our final result. Wow, that was cool, right? If you made it this far, that means you found this video really helpful, and a big congratulations to you. So next time you see those cool UI animation on Instagram and YouTube or any other platform you use, don't feel bad about it. Just follow these simple but powerful steps I gave you today, and before you know it, you will be a pro at making clean animations on mobile. So why not hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, so my videos will be recommended more to those who want to keep learning how to create motion graphics and UI animations right on their mobile phones. As always, let's keep it rolling.